Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you: professional warehouse organization and cleaning tips. Whether you're a business owner or just someone looking to spruce up your storage space, we've got you covered. Let's dive. Maintaining a clean and organized warehouse is key to efficiency and safety. First up, let's talk about optimizing your layout. Evaluate your workflow and arrange storage areas strategically. This ensures easy access to frequently used items and streamlines your operations. Now, onto the cleaning part. Daily maintenance is crucial. Regularly sweep or vacuum to remove loose dirt and debris. But there's more to it. For those stubborn stains, we recommend using industry-approved cleaning products. Limpure Cleaning Services believes in quality, so choose the right tools for the job. Prevention is key. Consider sealing grout to protect it from stains and moisture. And don't forget those mats and rugs, they're not just for decoration. They help trap dirt at entry points. So there you have it, professional warehouse organization and cleaning tips brought to you by Limpure Cleaning Services. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more expert cleaning tips. Stay clean and organized, everyone. Bye!